from highland shores to Scattery, their humble search for sanctuary, timeless symphony, no borderline they see, and above, on wings of grace, swift birds of passage gather pace, as they rise, as they delight, bright birds of passage wing their flight. Come the wild wind and sleet, mountain blast, the desert heat, sacrifice on oceans deep, pilgrim souls they can't defeat, breaking through the hate and fear, eyes awake to new frontiers, on and on through grief and pain, brave birds of passage fly again, as they light on golden strand, blessed birds of passage reach our land. Cages built to keep them bound, plaintive cries the only sound. Hold to your humanity, rise as one in dignity.